COVID-19 is at least the sixth worldwide pandemic after the Great Influenza Pandemic of 1918 and has its origins in microbes carried by animals. It is predicted that another 1.7 million currently undiscovered viruses exist in mammals and birds, of which up to 850,000 may have the capacity to infect humans. The cost of reducing risks of pandemics is 100 times less than the cost of responding to pandemics. The cost of COVID-19 globally was likely $816 trillion by July 2020, while it is estimated that costs in the US alone may reach $16 trillion by the fourth quarter of 2021. If these pandemics have damaged the global economy, then the further zoonotic viruses can cause more damage. Potential ways can reduce the risks of future pandemic risks by increased intergovernmental cooperation for pandemic prevention measures, global implementation of One Health policies, restoring habitats, reduction in land use change. The reduction in international wildlife trade through a new intergovernmental health and trade partnership. Reducing or removing high disease risk species in wildlife trade. Improving law enforcement in all factors of the illegal wildlife exchange and enhancing community schooling in diseased communities about the dangers of wildlife trade. Pandemic danger can be considerably reduced by decreasing the human activities which drive the lack of biodiversity by conserving covered areas. It will reduce wildlife, livestock, human contact and prevent the spillover of the latest disease.